let me get you started. Now, if you look at this, in the place of this HTML snippet, that is what we need for now. So I'm going to be clicking on that. Once I click on the HTML snippet, we have the HTML skeleton automatically generated for us. So we don't need to type in anything because the code has been auto-generated for us. So because we needed to type, I just press or click on the screen, or press the screen for my keyboard to be displayed. All right, so please take note of this. Every opening HTML tag must have a corresponding closing tag. If you look at it now, what do we have at the top? We have doc type HTML, the HTML, the lang, that is the head, the title, the head, then the body, right? What do I mean by every opening tag must have a corresponding closing tag? This is the opening tag of our HTML. This is the closing tag of the HTML. What is the difference between the opening and the closing tag? This / is what differentiates the opening and the closing tag. After we have declared the HTML, the next thing that follows is the head. We have the opening tag of the head, and we have the closing tag of the head. What differentiates the opening and the closing? This / is working at all. Inside of the head, we have the title, the same thing. This is where whatever title, don't worry, you're going to get it. After that, we have the body, okay? The opening tag of the body and the closing tag of the body. Now, the body, this is where all the codes that we're going to be writing, this is where they'll be written. Is it working at all? Is it clear? Beautiful. All right, so for me to get you started, we are going to be making use of this TrebEdit keyboard a lot, okay? So this is called a tag, right? Or what people call the less than, okay? So I'm going to be clicking on that less than, then we'll have H1, which stands for header 1. Now, as soon as I click or press this greater than sign to close it, can you see? It's automatically generated the closing tag of the H1 for us. Remember, I told you that every opening tag must have a corresponding closing tag. Don't worry much or don't bother much about this H1 for now. You are going to get it in the subsequent videos. This is just to get your hand started. So I want to type in my name, which is the prof. I have it written there. Can you see now? Beautiful. So how do we view this code? The first thing that we need to do is to save what we have done. And for us to save, if you look at my screen, the top right-hand corner side, we have 3 dots there. So I'm going to be clicking on that. We have